poppin'? It's capping. Yeah, poppin'. I gotta ask him. 'Cause if I don't, it's poppin'. I don't know. It's poppin'. Let's go.
Santing Galawang Kaibigan!
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
So we talked all night about the rest of our lives, where we're gonna be when we turn 25. I keep thinking times will never change. Keep on thinking things will always be the same. But when we leave this year, we won't be coming back. No more hanging out 'cause we're on a different track. And if you got something that you need to say, you better say it right now 'cause you don't have another day. 'Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound. And I keep thinking of that night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And there was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever.
Happy birthday, Amy! Magpalaki ka na! Nakabayo ka na! Paganda ka na.
Baby, happy birthday. You too. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Amy. Sana okay ka din. Tuloy mo lang yung mga work mo, yung mga na-achieve mo ngayon. Sana hindi mo pwede pang friend para sa akin.
Hey, baby, happy birthday sa'yo. Ilang taong ka na? 20. 20 ka na, hindi ka na 19, 20. Ilitin na lang natin. Ayun, happy birthday sa'yo. God bless. Yung mga pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay mo, kayang-kaya mo yan. So pa, sige. Dahil ang ilang ng gano'n sa gabi para lumaki-laki ka na. Kaya mag-ingat ka pa natin. Hi, baby. Happy birthday! Sana maging happy ka on your 19th, 26th, whatever. Anyway, happy birthday. I hope you have one special day with your friends, Riza, and the others. Sana maging healthy ka, sana maging okay ka sa lahat ng gano'n.
Happy birthday! Sana maging lang ang birthday mo para magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday and more jowa pa kami.
Jowa.
When you're
love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Ano? Tara silang tayo. Hindi, happy birthday. Tagal namin magkakilala simula pa lang ng first na collab. At kung may nagawa man ako hindi maganda, dati sa past, kalimutan na lang natin. Let's forgive each other. Kung may nagawa naman tayo, basta friends, happy birthday, love you so much, Mama Chupi. Happy birthday, boss. Sayang at kamnida, uni. Mwah! Hi, KB. Happy birthday. I love you. Hi, KB baby. Happy birthday. Love you.
KB! Tatawa lang ako. My love. Happy birthday. Salamat palagi ka nandiyan. Ayun, ito magbabago siyempre. Sa 4th year ka na, malapit ka na mawala sa ira. And I love you mo.
Happy birthday! More birthdays na po. Happy na part ako ng life mo. Tapos sana mas maging humble ka pa. Parate, kasi alam ko naman na humble ka na. So, sana mas marami pa rin mga production numbers na mapagsasamahan. At willing ako na makasama ka pa. Happy birthday, KB! More birthdays.
Hi, Katie! Happy birthday, sis! I love you. Sorry kung di ako nakakasama sa inyo madalas. Ito, gumawa kami ng video ni CJ. Kasi baka mamaya hindi ako abot sinuniti. Kasi mamaya, one lang uwi ko. Eh, baka hindi siya pumunta. Eh, kailangan ko umuwi na maaga kasi mama. Kailangan ako sa bahay. So, ayun. Yun. Sorry kung di ako nakakasama sa inyo madalas. Sorry kung bukas hindi ako nakakasama kasi may klase ako ng 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Yung major ko yun. So, kaya hindi ako nakakasama. Pasensya na sa Friday, baka birthday ng Friday. Sama ko sa inyo. Yun, I love you sis. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Perfect.
Anytime you need a friend, I'll stay with you. When you feel you're falling,
Rolling.
Happy birthday, birthday, baby. We want you to and so
Hello, happy birthday, baby. Sana tumaba ka pa sa more years to come. Yun lang, saka ingat ka parati. Tama.
Happy birthday, KB! Helloan mo!
Kasi kami tinatama yun.
Happy birthday, KB! Happy birthday!
Tama na guys. Tama na guys. Nakakasira talaga ng dignidad to eh.
Wala na akong
you need